Hi guys, today I'd like to pick this American padlock from the American Lock Company, which I received from BosnianBill a number of months ago. Here's the bitting on the key, you can see that. Lock is in working order, no other markings of note. Using a Peterson pry bar and a Peterson hook. Requires light tension working from the back. I don't think there are security pins in this lock, as I haven't gotten any false sets and there's no real feedback from it, so it's quite easy to overset. As I think I have in this situation, I'll have to reset. A little longer than it took me the last time I picked it. That is an American padlock, single pin picked. Thanks everyone, and thank you very much, BosnianBill, much appreciated.